Okay, let's continue 7.2. Okay, I think I gave up to question number 4, so we'll be doing question number 5 now. In triangle ABC, they did not give the figure, so let's just try drawing the figure first. ABC. If AB is equal to AC, so they're saying AB and AC is equal. So we know that if AB and AC is equal, this and these corresponding angles will be equal, nah? The attached to the side, equal sides, isosceles triangle. And then they're saying angle A is 80 degree. Then the values of B and C. So we have to find the values of B and C. So if we take this as X and X, why? Because they're same now. So if this X, this will be X only. We know that X plus 80 will be 180 degrees, because in this triangle, sum of all angles are always going to be 180. X plus X is 2X. 80 send this side, it will become minus 2X equal to 100. X equal to 50 degrees. So if this is 50, the other one will also be 50. Nah? So 50-50. Got it? So next one, let's try. ABC is a triangle, is an isosceles triangle in which, so they have already given the figure in this one. So this is also a textbook question, I think. So in which AB is equal to AC and BA is produced. So triangle ABC is there first. Okay, this triangle is first there where this and this is equal, which means this is an isosceles triangle in this triangle. And this is X, so this will be X. So these two are equal. Now, BA is this one. It's produced means extra teaching addition, such that AD, this line is equal to AB. Is equal to AB. So this line and this line is also equal, which means if this and this is equal and this is equal, it means this and this should also be equal. No, itu 7 cm like here, 7 cm. So we extended this in such a way that this and this is equal. So it will be 7 so equal. But just because, see, for example, if I draw this, let's say this 3 cm, okay, and this 3 cm, let's say. Now, so I can literally draw like this also the 3 centimeters. 3 centimeter, and this also length 3 centimeter. So the length is same, this and this and this length is same, but the angles are different. No, angle alag. This is way larger, obviously. This is smaller. This will be around 60 degrees. This will be around 30 degrees. So the angles are different, even if the lengths are same. Okay, so you have to remember that. So even if this and this is same, and this is same, it doesn't mean that this angle and this angle will, all the angles will be same. Okay, so since this becomes an isosceles triangle also, look at this, it equal also. So this angle and this angle should be equal now. So let's say this y and y, but as I'm telling you, y and x will not be same. Why? Because although the sides are same, the sides, sorry, itu finger to the, this is like literally like this. So these two is same, but I can rearrange these two sides like small, big, like this. The length of the finger remains same, but the width, the space between them can change. So just like that, even though this and this is same, the width between them might change, so the angles will be different. Okay, so you cannot assume everything as x. So if this and this is x, because these two are equal, this and this should be y, because only these two are equal. We don't know if this and this is equal. Now that you understand that, I hope. Mo itu question na, ini na textbook tiki as itu liki di sini. So in exam it might not come like this, but it'll come they'll write up to here, and then they'll give like, then angle BCD is equal to, they'll give you options. Okay, how about this? Just or option D exam format video. This is exact question from textbook. So side AB is produced to such that AD is equal to AB. After that, don't write this, write this. Then angle BCD is equal to 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So we have to pick which one, okay? Because most probably it will come like this only, not the other way around. Multiple choice I will not. So in this case, what we do is, we know that, see, the big triangle, it forms a triangle. So all these angles together is 180, obviously. So this plus this plus this is 180, which means angle D plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Because this D, this is C, this is B, the big angle. Nah? But angle D is X, Y, so we know that. Angle B is X, we know that also. But angle C, we don't know that. Nah? So angle C is made up of two angles, X and Y. So instead of X, I can write C, we can write X plus Y. Which is that C is made up of two angles, X and Y. So instead of C, I can write X plus Y. So X plus X is 2X, Y plus Y is 2Y. And then we can take 2 common from here, so Y plus X is left. If I send 2 this side, it will become division. So 180 by 2. If you cut it, you'll get 2 9s are 18, so 90. But what is X plus Y? X plus Y is angle C only, right? Angle C, like literally here, instead of C, we wrote X plus Y. And then we're getting X plus Y here. So instead of X plus Y, can we write angle C? Or angle C matlab angle BCD, same as it. As long as the C is in the middle, right? I hope you guys know how to name angles. So the correct option will be 90 degree. Got it? Let's go to the next question. So, in triangle ABC, okay, let's draw ABC. AB is equal to AC, so this and this is equal. Median AD is drawn. AD is drawn matlab median AD. So median matlab to na kya do? If suppose from A I draw a line and the line touches the midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC, which means midpoint means the middle point. Okay, so like suppose, okay, let's just draw first. So AD is the median. So AD is the median, matlab the D divides BC into 2 equal parts. So if BC is 10 centimeter, BD will be 5 and DC will also be 5. Got it? That's how it separates. So this and this will become equal. So what is the question? Find ADB. We are asked to find ADB, this angle. So we do know that this is going to be equal, these two angles, because it's isosceles. This side and this side is equal. So, okay, how about this? I'll first try and prove that this side, this angle and this angle is equal, okay? How to do that is by showing that these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle ABD and ABD and triangle ACD. Triangle ACD, we know that AB is equal to AC, which is given in the question. Angle B is equal to angle C, isosceles triangle, right? And then BD is equal to DC, median. Since it's a median, it will midpoint, so BD will be equal to CD. So we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. If triangle ABD is by SAS rule, if these two is congruent, we know that angle ADB will be equal to angle ADC. So these two angles are equal. So now let's take this as X and X. Since we proved that these two are equal, I can take this as X and this is X, right? So if this is X and this is X, and we know this is a straight line, right? So since BDC is a straight line, therefore X plus X should be equal to 180. Straight line to 180 again. I hope you remember that. So X plus X is 2X equal to 180. X equal to 180 divided by 2. X equal to 90. So both will be 90, 90, which means this is the correct answer. Got it? So they were asking only one of the angle, but we know that both angles will be 90 and 90 also. So whenever like they ask you these kind of questions. Now, usually when like they're asking for this angle or like this and they're asking for this angle, usually what happens is everything ends up to 90. So in exam, if you don't know and there's an option of 90, try to tick that only. Right? So let's do one more question. In a right isosceles triangle, so right isosceles triangle means a right angle, okay, and two sides are equal. So in a right angle triangle, which means 90 degree, okay, right angle matlab 90 degrees, this side is always going to be the longer side, okay. You have to remember that it's whatever it may be, it will be the longer side no matter what. Exactly opposite to 90 degree, the side lying there will always be the 90 longer side, okay. So it says right isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal, so we cannot have two longer sides, okay. There can only be one longer side. So which means which two sides will be equal? This side and this side will be equal, right? So if this side and this side is equal, let me just turn the diagram like this. If this side and this side is equal, we know that this angle and this angle should also be equal because this becomes an isosceles triangle. So if I take this as x and take this as x, and we calculate this angle and say this is ABC, we can name anything because they did not say the name. So A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, right? So A is x, B is 90, C is also x. I can say the 90 this side and x can be added up. So 2x equal to 90, x equal to 90 divided by 2 is 45. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now we will start the next exercise, but we will be doing only the basic stuff which we have already learned in 7 point something, okay. So the new concept I'll teach you in the next class only. So 7.3 question number 1, this we have already learned about this, so you don't have to worry about not knowing what to do or that, okay. In the figure, if AB is equal to CD, so AB is equal to CD, right? And AD, so they've given this is equal to this, and AD is the whole thing is equal to CD. I think I wrote the wrong question here. AD equal to CD. I think this should be AD equal to BC. Then triangle ABC and triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Wait, let me just check. Yes, this is I typed wrote it wrong. This is supposed to be AB equal to AD equal to CB, okay, BC. CB, this is B. So which means this line, this red line and this red line is equal, okay. If those two red lines are equal, then the triangles, they're asking about which triangle, ABC and CDA. So I'm going to draw ABC first. A, B, C, okay. And then I'm going to draw CDA, but CDA I'm going to draw it like this only, same direction. So BC is equal to AD, right? So I have to draw AD, right? And then they already said CD is equal to AB, so this is equal, this is equal. Now what else is there so that we can show it is equal? We can notice that there's an AC here, there's an AC here, which means this same AC. So this and this equal, which means by what rule? SSS rule, okay. Now question number 2. In the figure, under which rule ABC and ABD are congruent? So ABC, ABD, this is easy. This equal, this equal, they've already given us. This is equal, this is equal, they've already given us, and this line and this line will be equal. So it's the same thing as SSS. Okay, let's do the next question. So in triangle ABC and PQR, so let's just draw ABC first. Let's draw in order, ABC, and then we'll draw PQR according to what the question is saying. Okay, so AB is equal to QR, so QR should be here, right? AB QR, and then BC is equal to PR. BC is equal to PR, so PR should be here. So AB is equal to QR, BC is equal to PR, and then CA is this one, is equal to PQ. PQ is this side. So let's see. They're saying triangle ABC. Remember, it's going like this. PQR. No. So this is not the one. CBA. So it's going like this. So it should also go like this. So PRQ should be. Because let's see the others also. BAC like this. RQP it should be. But this RPQ, not RQP. And then PQR, BC, that was no, it should be CAB, right? So last question for this video, question number 4. In an isosceles triangle ABC, if AD is the altitude of the triangle, okay, let's just try and draw the figure. In isosceles triangle ABC, BC. So this angle and this angle is equal, this side and this side is equal. Isosceles as well. AD is the altitude of triangle. So AD is the altitude. Altitude means what? Altitude, in case you don't know, altitude means height, okay? And height will always be 90 degrees. Always remember. So this is 90, this is 90. They're saying BAD. This is to, this is ratio. Angle ABD, this. So this is to this is 2:3. So whenever they have a ratio, you always take left angle BAD, the first one correlates to the first one, equal to 2x, and you put an x, okay, whenever there's a ratio. Always remember that. An angle ABD equal to 3x. So the first one correlates to the first one, the second one correlates to the second one. So, and you will always take xx, because ratio literally means that. It means that two things, suppose, I've already explained to you, I guess this one, 9/12 is equal to, you cut, and this is left, so the ratio is 3:4. That's what it means. So when you're taking 3x and 4x, it literally means this x is the value with which you cut. To keep a 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 9, so x is 3. Because 3/4 into x you do 3 will get you back to the original value. Okay, that's why we're taking x. So we took 2x and 3x. So this now BAD is 2x and this is 3x. We're supposed to find BAC, the big angle. So if this is 3x, this will also be 3x, that this will also be 2x, okay? Why this will be 2x? Because if this is the altitude, okay, since this is the altitude, this angle and this angle is same, this angle and this angle is same, and then it's an isosceles triangle, this is same, plus this is common also. We have more than enough to show that this and this is concurrent. If this two is concurrent, this two is equal. Let me repeat that again. This is not, if you take these two triangles, this and this is common. This is 90, this is 90, this and this is equal. That is RHS rule. Right angle, hypotenuse, and one other side. You can even do AAS, because this angle and this angle will also be equal. So it doesn't matter. So now we're going to take the whole triangle. So in triangle ABC, okay, this angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. You already know why it is. Angle A, I can write this 2x plus 2x, because the angle A means the whole thing, and it's divided into two parts, which is 2x and 2x. So 2x plus angle B is 3x plus angle C is also 3x equal to 180 degree. This way we can find x, right? So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10x equal to 180. X equal to 180 divided by 10, which is 18. Nah, you got the 0, 0, 18. So if x is 18, we needed not x, but we needed angle BAC. BAC is the whole thing, which is 4x all of. Therefore, angle BAC equal to 2x plus 2x equal to 4x. So, but x we got is 18. So 4 into 18. 8 4 32, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 72 degrees. So this is the correct answer. So let me show you the question. And that is it. Okay.